Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we'll be tackling the problem, find the slope-intercept form of the equation of the line passing through the point 5, -2 and perpendicular to the line 3x minus 2y equals 12. So the first thing we're going to do right off the bat is change 3x minus 2y into y equals mx plus b form. So in order to do that, the first thing we're going to do is subtract negative 3x from each side. So that we're left with negative 2y is equal to negative 3x plus 12. And to isolate y by itself, we're going to go ahead and divide each side of the equal sign by negative 2 so that we're left with y is equal to 3 over 2x minus 6. So now that we have that, we know that we're finding the slope-intercept form that is perpendicular to the line, to this line. So knowing that, what this changes is it causes the slope of our equation to become negative 1 over m. So what that means is that 3 over 2 is going to go ahead and change into negative 2 over 3. So basically what it does is it just takes the reciprocal of our slope from our formula, and it also changes it to the opposite sign. So for example, if we had, let's say our slope was instead negative 3, it would, to make it perpendicular, we would do 1/3. So we change it to the reciprocal as well as change the sign. But since our slope in this equation is 3 over 2, we're going to change it to negative 2/3. So that's what we're going to use in our new equation. So taking that new slope, since it's going to be perpendicular to the line, we have y is equal to negative 2/3 x plus b. And so since we're trying to find the line that passes through the point 5, -2, we're going to go ahead and take 5, -2 and plug it into this equation in order to find b. So we're going to do negative 2 is equal to negative 2/3 times 5 plus b. So the first thing we're going to do is multiply negative 2/3 by 5. So something that's helpful to do is just put 5 over 1. So that we're left with negative 2 is equal to negative 10 over 3 plus b. So in order to get b by itself, we're going to add 10/3 to each side. And we're going to get b equals 4/3. And how we're able to do that is by changing the negative 2 into the denominator of 3. So that's going to be negative 6 over 3 plus 10 over 3, which is equal to 4/3. And that's how we get b is equal to 4/3. So our final equation is going to be y is equal to negative 2/3 x plus 4/3.